The L-fit set of screws is composed of L-fit and screw. The L-fit is made of AL6005T5, and the screw is made of SUS305. L-fit is used to connect the guide rail and the screw. The screw is divided into three kinds. A pointed screw used to install on the wooden beam. A Phoenix taller screw installed on the steel beam. The third is a hanging screw. It is to make a hole in the beam or roof in at once, and then put the screw in, and then a lift can be fixed. This one is suitable for steel roof, not for tile roof.